Let's get away from the hustle and bustle and have fun falling in coach rhythm. Let's sing and dance like a turtle in the puddle. I love my coach rhythm.
Hello everyone. Today, Aria, we are going to do another example of sequencing. Okay, let's all have fun with the examples of sequencing. Aria, today's example, we need to help our pet. Who is our pet? Sandy. Sandy is our pet. So we are going to fill the Sandy's bowl with the water. Okay, and who is going to help to do this? Our robot? Yes, we are going to ask Infinity to fill the Sandy's bowl with the water. Okay, we need to refill the water. So let's call Infinity to help us. Infinity,
Come here.
Yes, Aria, I am coming.
hello Infinity.
Yes, madam.
Infinity, our pet Sandy is thirsty. Please fill the bowl with the water.
Okay.
Infinity, come. Infinity, what are you doing?
I am putting water for Sandy.
We asked you to fill the bowl, but which bowl you have filled?
You have not told me which bowl I to fill.
Oh yes, correct. We were not specific. Infinity, please fill the Sandy's bowl.
Okay, I fill Sandy's bowl.
Infinity, what are you doing?
I am filling Sandy's bowl.
You did right by filling the bowl, but you have put the water in the foot bowl. It's wrong.
You have not given me specific instruction. It's not my mistake. It's your mistake.
Okay.
Aria, you have to learn.
Wait.
Oh, Aria, you have to give me specific instructions.
You need to fill, Infinity. Please fill the water in the Sandy's water bowl. What is this, Infinity?
You told me to fill Sandy's bowl. I put 2 drops of water in Sandy's bowl.
Are you so funny, right? You did wrong again. He will be thirsty by this much water. You need to fill the water. Just fill the bowl. Water bowl. Just fill it completely.
Okay.
Stop. What are you doing? You're overflowing the water.
You told me to fill completely. I am filling completely. You have to tell me quantity. You want to fill 50 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml, or 50% of the bowl. You are doing wrong.
Okay, Infinity, right. We got it. Are what we were doing wrong? We did not mention how much water we need to fill, right? Infinity, wait. Where are you going? Now you have to remove this water and fill it half, okay?
Okay. I fill the bowl half.
Perfect. This is perfect. See, Infinity, that's right. We did wrong by giving you the incomplete instructions. But please, now you have to clean this mess. This is too much messy. Okay?
Aria, are you reading how to give instruction to Infinity?
Yes.
Are you learning, Aisha? Bye. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Make it fun, make it right, make it fast with the coach rhythm flight.